Commercial ads. We all roll our eyes at them, interrupting, cluttering, annoying. But what if a simple, static, boring, non-distracting ad could help bring a life-saving technology to the world faster? What if glancing past a quiet point of interest ad meant thousands of families never receiving that devastating phone call? At scale, that's what IMAMS can do: save thousands of lives on America's highways. So the real question becomes, if a small, helpful ad could prevent tragedy, isn't that worth it? IMAMS is more than a device. It's a guardian. Calm and quiet during everyday driving, instantly dynamic only when danger strikes. A safety-first system built to protect without distracting. This balance, still when it should be, powerful when it must be, makes nationwide adoption possible without compromising public trust or roadway safety.